Hey everybody, we recently had the opportunity to tour the Unicoi State Park campground and want to show you what it looks like. So this is going to be the Little Brook Spur. There are going to be 3 different loops at the Unicoi State Park campground, and this is located in Helen, Georgia. It is a beautiful area of the country. So Little Brook Spur, what you're seeing now, has electric and water hookups. There is also another spur called Laurel Ridge, and that also is electric and water. And then there is Big Brook Spur, which we will tour in just a minute, and that is going to be full hookups. Now, there are nearly 100 campsites in this campground, and they do offer a variety of different types of sites. They have 30-foot sites and 40-foot sites. There are tent sites. There's even some luxury glamping sites that we will see in just a moment. And actually, as we round this corner, we're going to come up to the area where those glamping tents are. I think this is a perfect opportunity if you don't have an RV or if you want just a little bit more fancy camping to have one of these tent sites, because they do have air conditioning and they're actually really well thought out and have a lot of amenities. So you are seeing that right now on the left-hand side of the screen. And then over on the right-hand side, you are going to see some more of those glamping tents. They actually do have heat as well, and you can see the air conditioning unit right there. So this is something that you can enjoy no matter what the weather is, and you don't have to bring a lot of equipment in order to come and camp in Unicoi State Park if you currently don't have a RV or a trailer, or you don't want to be tent camping. Now, as we come up the road and around the corner, this is where you are going to be finding the dump station for this loop. As I said, it is electric and water only. So this is the dump station for the Little Brook Spur. Now we are going to be going to the Big Brook Spur. And this is the one that is full hookup sites. And so we will take a short driving tour and show you what this area looks like as well. So as we drive through this loop, I'll tell you a little bit more about Unicoi State Park, which honestly I thought was beautiful. It is located in Helen, Georgia, which is a Bavarian-inspired town, yet they have so many outdoor adventures. Tubing is very popular in the river here, and you can also find a lot of outdoor adventure options inside the state park, like zip lining and all kinds of other things through outfitters there. There is a beach area in the park, and I will show that at the end. A massive beach area with swimming, and that's really nice to have as an opportunity to do while you are camping here. Now, there is a hotel in the state park, so if you want to skip cooking a meal or two, you can go there and enjoy a meal out. And we are coming up on the welcome area. Like, this is where you're going to be checking in to get to the campground. We kind of are doing this tour a little bit backwards. You're going to find a playground here, and so there is going to be a general store. A lot of the amenities and things that you need before getting to your campsite are going to be found in this area that you are going to be using for check-in. When you are in Unicoi State Park, you definitely need to take time and go see Anna Ruby Falls. It is a huge waterfall, and it is well worth the admission fee. There's some things that you need to know about visiting these waterfalls, so I have another video that I will put in the description below, and you'll want to watch that before deciding to go visit the waterfall, but definitely highly suggest it. Now, as we are going through this third loop, I do want to point out there's another way to camp in Unicoi State Park, and that is on squirrel's nest platforms. It sounds so unusual, but these are elevated platforms that are on a hillside, and so you can walk up there, bring a sleeping bag or air mattress, and sleep like really out in nature. There is a roof over the platform, and there's one wall, but the other 3 sides are open. So if you are looking for a unique way to go camping, you definitely might want to check out Squirrel's Nest. You do have to walk your stuff a little bit, up a ways, up a little road to get there. So it's not as easy as tent camping in these sites. And finally, this is the beach area that is located in the state park. This is just one of the many campgrounds around Helen, Georgia. We have a guide with many more, and we'll put that in the description below.